Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix will not set up Apple Pay and error occurred while setting up Apple Pay on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue to set up your Apple Pay, so let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest internet connection because very time there's your internet connection is weak, so you might get these type errors. Or after that you have to go for settings app, and in settings you just have to go for general, then go for VPN and device management. And you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with your VPN. And after that you have to go back and go for a software update and try to update your software. If you find any pending update here, try to update your software. And after that you just have to go back again and then go for the transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and after that select the reset network setting from the confirmation pop-up message, and all of your network settings will be resetted. Then go for the apps, or you have to select wallet, then select add card, and you can easily add your payment card and credit card or anything else to your Apple ID. Or after that, if you are still having the same issues, you have to open your Sport app, or you can use Apple Sport Web. Then select your device from here, and then select the option of more. Then select from here wallet. Here's the wallet option. Select that, and here you just have to wait for a moment, and then select get more help option from here. Then select call us, and you'll get a number of Apple Support team to dial. Now whenever you want to call, you just have to dial this phone number, and you can discuss about your issue with the Apple Support team member and find a real help from there. So in this way you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.